Hi everyone, I'm back with my stitch challenge update. Yesterday I posted a video with a challenge, just a small challenge, because I was getting a little tired of the trees that I was doing on this particular pattern and they were getting a little bit tedious, so I wanted to push on ahead with something that I enjoyed. So I challenged myself and I decided I wanted to do as much of this roof as I could in one day. And so I'm happy to say that I met the challenge in good faith, and I did do about 5 to 6 hours of cross stitching yesterday. It was broken up a little bit with my daily tasks, but I did manage to get most of this roof here done. One thing I've noticed is that Dimensions can use a lot of mixed threads, mixed colours. It can get a little bit confusing. So I'm really pleased with what I've got done, and I feel like now I should be going down in this direction, maybe filling a little more in this area and then going back to these dreaded trees. So do you think I should challenge myself to do something else on this particular design or on a different one that I'm doing? Perhaps I could challenge myself to actually finish this tree here, but oh my goodness, that's going to take a while. Confetti City, I'm afraid. So I'm not even sure if I like the sound of that challenge, but yeah, you know, it could actually get me round to finishing the actual section itself. I'm just dying to finish all of them. It's driving me mad. Yeah, maybe I'm getting a little bit impatient, but yeah, so that's my challenge completed. So thank you for watching.